Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to the day 4 of the 7-day yoga challenge for flat belly. I'm Tejasvi. So for this, just wear something comfortable and hop onto your mat. Come into the child's pose, come onto your knees and sit in between your heels. Let your hips be on the heels, stretch your hands forward. Just bend forward, if possible touch your head to the floor, otherwise let it be hanging. Breathe in and breathe out, stretch your hands forward. One more breath in and exhale. Now as you breathe in, slowly lift your hips up, curl your toes in and lift the knees off the floor. You can bend your knees, push your hips towards the ceiling and then slowly see if you can straighten the legs. Actively push the heels towards the floor, making sure you're pushing your chest towards the thighs, downward dog. Breathe in and breathe out. Now as you breathe in, slowly curl forward, straighten your back, come into plank. And breathing out, lift your hips up, come into the downward dog. Breathe in forward, pull the stomach muscles in and breathe out back. Once again, forward, look straight and back. Very good, forward and back, forward and back. Last time, forward, and we'll hold it here, keeping the stomach muscles engaged. Pull your stomach in, stay here. I'm keeping the count for you, stay here. Stay. Almost done. With a smile and drop your knees down. Go back into the child's pose. Normalize your breath here. Breathe in and breathe out. One more breath in and exhale. Now slowly lift the hips off the floor. Come forward, place the chest and the chin on the floor. Come into Ashtanga Namaskara. Slide into Bhujangasana. And come into the downward dog, curling your toes in. Lift your hips up. Now come into plank again. Making sure your stomach is tucked in. Stay here. Feel free to lower the knees whenever you feel difficult. Now we'll lift the knees up, stay here, lift the right leg up, look straight, keeping the stomach tucked in, hold for a few more seconds, stay here, 3, 2 and 1, drop the leg down, knees down, go back and come forward again into plank. And now with the other leg, lift the left leg up, stay here, breathe in and breathe out, in and out. Very good, hold, 3, 2 and 1. Knees down, go back into the child's pose, rest here, breathe in and breathe out. Now slowly come forward again. And in case your wrists are paining when you're doing a plank, you can always come onto the elbow. You will feel the same effect on the core. And now slowly we'll lift the knees up. Feel free to drop the knees anytime. And now shift your weight onto the side. We'll just lower the hips onto the side and come to the center. And the other side, come back to the center, exhaling, shift the hips, drop the hips onto the floor, come to the center and other side. Very good. Center, drop it down, center and down. Let's do it gracefully. Down and up. Once again, down and up. Down, up, down and up. Last time, down, up and again. Up, come into the downward dog. Rest here, take few breaths here. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly come back into plank. And now we will do the side plank. Here, feel free to lower the knee and then come into the side plank. Otherwise, you can keep the legs straight and come into the side plank. Okay, come into the side plank. Take the hand up above your head. Take your hand up and back into plank. Very good. Feel free to use the modification of dropping the knee whenever you want. Now, once again, on to the other side. Lift the hand up, take it above your head, again straight and down. Lift the left hand up, come on to the side, take it above the head, straight and back. Lift the right hand up, take it above your head, again up and back. Once again, lift up, exhaling to the side, inhaling up and down. To the other side, lift up and again drop the hand down, bicep close to the ear, lift up and down. Last time, lift up, drop the hand down, lift the hand up again, back, lift the right hand up, drop it down, lift up the hand and come back, drop the knees down, rest in the child's pose. Normalize your breath, relax yourself. We'll make the humming bee sound. Breathe in. And relax. And now slowly lift the hips up. Push yourself forward. Let the weight be on the palms. Stay here. And slowly hugging the elbows close to the chest. Come forward. If Chaturanga is in the practice, you can come into Chaturanga. Otherwise, keep the knees down. Hug the elbows close to the chest, stomach in. And slowly lower down. Come into the Bhujangasana. Come back into the downward dog. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Slowly come forward into plank again. And then lift the right leg up. Move towards the right side and back. Left leg up towards the left, back. 3. Back, 4, back, keeping the stomach engaged, 5, and back, 6, back, 7, few more, back, 8, and back, 9, and back, 10, and relax, knees on the floor. Go back, rest in the child's pose. Here you can widen the knees a little bit. Go further down. Normalize your breath. Breathe in and breathe out. And now slowly just take your hands back, interlace your hands and stretch it up. We're just relaxing the hands here. Breathe in and breathe out. In and out. Relax the hands. Take them back. Now lift your hips up. Get your knees together. Curl your toes in. Come back into the downward dog. Breathe in and breathe out. We'll come back into plank. And again, tucking the stomach in. We'll bring the right leg forward in between the two hands and back. With full control, left leg forward, back. Right forward and back. Continue, making sure your hips are down, stomach is engaged. Keep doing. Very good, good going. Few more. Keeping the stomach engaged. 3, 2, and 1. Knees down. Go back and rest. Normalize the breath. Take a breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and exhale. Slowly lift your hips up. If vinyasa is in your practice, slowly come down. Come into chaturanga or half chaturanga. Lower yourself down, bhujangasana, upward dog and downward dog. Last time we'll come into plank again, keeping the stomach engaged. Hold. Now lift the right hand up and down. We touch the opposite shoulder and down. 2, 3, 4. Continue. Keep tapping the shoulders. Very good. Keep the stomach engaged. Last 2. And relax. Knees down. Once again, go back and rest in the child's pose. Widen your knees here. Go further forward. Rest here. Slowly lift your hips up into the sitting posture. Sit comfortably and easily. Palms on your thighs facing the sky. You may close your eyes. Breathe in and breathe out with a ha sound. Once again, breathe in, hold the breath, and breathe out with a ha sound. And we'll join our palms together in front of the heart. A lot of gratefulness. Breathe in and breathe out with a smile. Rub your palms. Place them on your eyes. And slowly looking at the palms, you may open the eyes. Namaste. So if you can repeat this practice once again or 2-3 times would be really good. So see you tomorrow again. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. And if you like this video, hit on the like button. Thank you so much for joining us. Namaste.